ERP department has developed a web portal to manage the production operations that is integrated with SAP Business ONE for HANA. It can be easily accessed by Google Chrome browser, just like a website address by entering a username and password. This web portal will facilitate the production staff in requesting the issuance and return of raw materials and consumable items from the store. They can take a printout of the request and return documents for submission to store for material issuance. The design department can transfer the production file that is required to be handed over to different production sections before manufacturing a product. They can search by job number and select the required production order number and relevant production department in Design Transfer window to transfer to production. Each department can acknowledge the receiving of files simultaneously by searching the relevant job number and selecting the production order number in Process Acknowledgement window. A comprehensive production routing feature is added, where production staff can transfer and get an acknowledgement of the work in process items between all the production sections and subsections by using the Inter and the InterDepartment Rooting feature. They can select the required job number and department to process it further or for the completion of job at their section. A quantity of items can also be selected to transfer and receive the job material partially. Remarks can be added too. They can also see the list of jobs that is given for further processing to other section or their own subsection. A job transfer node print can be taken out to send to the relevant section while handing over the items physically. This is how we can see the actual work in process value for each section of the production by a specific job and production order. A report section is available too, where production staff can run all the relevant production reports on the same page by selecting required parameters. It will display the report in PDF format that can be exported also. An interactive dashboard is also available for monitoring the current status of all jobs that are in production. You can view total job in production, production order in planned and released state, production orders that are received in warehouse, delay production orders and stock production orders. It displays the number of jobs are in process in each production section. A complete list of all released jobs are available too, where you can search the current status by the job number, production order number, customer name, or with the section name. We have a plan to incorporate the enhanced version of this dashboard in Power BI Analytics software, so all can have an access of the same. A detailed work in process report is developed also. It will display the total process value of each department based on production order, its work in process value based on material issuance and balance process value. To access this portal, there is no need to log into SAP Business ONE software. A training session has already been given to all the concerned on December 2, 2020, and we are going live with this portal on December 10, 2020. We will achieve the followings after its successful usage by the production staff: automation of design file handing over and acknowledgement, real-time tracking of job status in production, current value of work in process in each section of production, intra and inter-department handing over and acknowledgement that adds the transparency in production processes. It will help us to streamline the tracking of sales order too. A huge cost has been saved as there is no SAP licenses are required. Thanks for watching.